straight line, but Usain Bolt just turned phenomenal.
I just blew my mind, and I blew the world's mind. Through this statement, he signified the sentiment of 8 billion people worldwide who live and die with Bolt for those momentous 10 seconds. He is the barometer by which the sport is measured. Any meet that Bolt runs is a spectacle. Any meet he skips is irrelevant. Beyond boundaries and geographical locations, he is the ultimate personification of a champion. You have seen the glimpses of a champion on track. Now, we are introducing you to our very own champion, whose remarkable presence and effect can be felt in the field of more than 125 countries on this planet. Its sheer presence generates unbelievable trust in the mind of millions of farmers throughout the world. The journey of both the champions is phenomenal in the last 4 years. From Beijing to London, Bolt's success graph is unbelievable. Compare this with the performance of our own champion from 2008 to 2012. Roundup has had remarkable growth across all markets and all segments. And if you think these graphs are giving you truly the big picture of our success, then hold your breath, because what will come on your screen will blow your mind. The quantum leap our champ has taken this year is simply spectacular. But a champion's journey will always have its shares of ups and downs. It is like an ECG report, where a straight line means the person is dead. So a champion cannot afford to have a straight trajectory of growth. It hasn't been all gold medals since he sprinted on the world stage in 2008. Bolt was disqualified from the 100-meter race in the 2011 World Championship after a false start. This was a challenging time for our champion also. Some local manufacturers introduced a substandard herbicide at a cheaper price to challenge us, but they were not able to make a dent on our brand equity. That false start was the turning point in Bolt's career. It inspired him to be more focused. He worked out on a strategy to regain his world champion position with loads of grit and resilience. Roundup has also taken the challenge of the rival head-on. Our aggressive strategy has left no place for the opponent. We conducted 10,000 plus demonstrations across India to raise farmers' awareness, safe and judicious use of Roundup. We ran various marketing campaigns across the country to reinforce Roundup's equity among users. A champion is always hungry for success and more success. Like a true champion, Bolt evolved himself with time. He did not restrict himself with his core strength of 100 meters. He worked very hard to make his place in the 200-meter and 400-meter relay race, and on sheer determination, he excelled here as well. True to the nature of a champion, we have also worked very hard to make our presence felt in new market segments. Hence, the possibilities of new business were identified. Apart from agriculture sector, extensive demonstrations were carried out on railway, municipal corporation, industries, power plant areas to promote the usage of Roundup in the non-agricultural segment. A true champion will always keep on challenging his own parameters. In the last 4 momentous years, Bolt smashed his records many times. The track has seen many a showman before, but no one has ever seen a showman who has evolved in the sport in record-destroying loops. Bolt has effectively shifted the goal of sprinting from 10 seconds to 9.5 seconds. And now he's aiming for 9.4. We are also setting new benchmarks for our champion. Across the geography, we are proud to have a product which is undisputably number one. The challenge is to break our own record and set our new parameters. The possibilities are limitless, and the future belongs to those who challenge themselves and succeed.